welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm outside. We're in my yard because we are going to be fixing up our chicken coop. It is very haphazard, like just made with materials around the yard. So we need to make it bigger and a little bit better. So that's what we're doing today. And if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. So this is what we have right now for our run. As you can see, it is very not good. Like I said, we used materials from around the yard, so it needs some fixing up. There's rhubarb growing. See? Oh, you okay? See? Right here.
This is Robo too.
And that's rhubarb.
That's Robo.
Yeah.
That's Robo.
Yep.
That's Robo.
So the previous owners, I think, used this area as a compost area. So now it's just like a pile of junk, like just composty stuff, actual trash. That is another project that we need to work on. And then up here is the top part of our property. And someday I'd love to build a house on here and then rent out our current house. And then we have more land too that the boys could live on someday. But anyway, these little teenager chicks are why we need to make a bigger run, because we have 7 full-grown chickens, and then 9 teenager chicks, and then we have more little chicks in our basement that are still growing. First thing we needed to do was head to Lowe's and Home Depot to get some materials. For this project, we need chicken wire. We also needed one of those post hole diggers. That was so handy for this entire project. We used some posts that were just around the yard. We had a down branch that you'll see later. Renee cuts it up and makes them into little posts, and we used the digger right here that she's got to make the posts that we used with the fencing. And then Home Depot blocked us in the aisle.